Okay, this is actually a quiz that you should go and take. We've got the 4 questions here, so number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I just want to give you maybe a little bit of hint or talk about a couple of them. Like this first one, you see the length of the path described by the parametric equations. So length, of course, we recognize as the arc length formula, so remember that formula. Remember, this could also be the total distance traveled by a particle using these as its position vectors. Okay. If f is a vector-valued function defined by those two, find the second derivative. So again, this could be representative of acceleration. So think about your vector notation and how you would do that. The third one, if x is equal to sine and y is equal to e to the 3t dy dx. Remember, as we find derivatives with vectors, we're always looking to do dy dt divided by dx dt. If we needed the second derivative, we would then use quotient rule and divide by dx dt at the end. And finally, which of the following represents the area enclosed by the smaller loop? So I would recommend graphing that equation, and then remember that area is always 1/2 r squared d theta. There are some you can right away get rid of just because they do not have the right form. You don't even have to necessarily then solve for some of the bounds or the thetas if you can cross them off right away. So again, this is a quiz. Go and answer those 4 questions in order. You can pause here if you need to.